Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome everybody back to the 10K to 100K challenge. Today I don't feel like standing. My legs hurt. So this is what we're doing today. Enjoy the video. Okay, so as you can probably tell by my facial expression, it's been a pretty eventful week. Bitcoin's been doing its thing. It's been going up, going down. Very interesting stuff. But today I have something very interesting. What the fuck am I doing? Hello. Today I'm gonna switch up the video style, okay? So we're doing something new. We're innovating. This is a new thing, okay? So first, I would actually, you guys are getting a little behind the scenes. I would actually like to talk about a bit of philosophy. So one of the things I've been thinking about a lot, I've kind of gotten to the point where this has become second nature, and it's a mindset that I want to share with you guys. And that is the mindset of think of stocks or anything you're buying like you're shopping. Okay. So, when you're at the grocery store, let's say you have avocados. That's an avocado, obviously. If the avocado is $5, right, that's a very expensive avocado. But let's say it drops down to $2. What a lot of people think is, oh, wow, I get a great deal on avocados. Let me get more avocados. Why is it that when a stock goes down, and let's say it's at the $2 level, when it was at the $5 level, why does everybody then go, this stock sucks? What they should be doing is saying, oh, great discount, let me get more. And the reason I'm sharing this is because you need to start thinking of investing like this. If you have something valuable, we'll say the avocado is valuable. I think that's how you spell valuable. Then the price at $5 should give you less incentive to buy it, and the price when it's lower should give you more incentive to buy it. This is typically backwards when people invest, so change your mindset and you'll make more money guaranteed by my course. Okay, back to the desk. So I want to talk about something I've been seeing, and this is kind of related to the news. So, okay, what am I doing? I'm gonna fix this. Sorry. Let me lock in. Nope, nope. Okay, there. That's probably good. So the market's fear gauge, or the fear and greed index, let me actually pull it up. Okay, here we are on the fear and greed index, and one thing you'll notice is we're at pretty high fear levels, or I guess low greed, and essentially a lot of people have lost hope in Bitcoin. It's kind of the thing that's been going around is everybody's capitulating. It's there's been ETF outflows, all this type of stuff, and it's been like this before, but somehow now it feels worse than ever. Like it's been extreme fear for a while. It's been at these low levels, and everyone's feeling this way. Like long-term holders, me personally, the news, it's all very negative, and it's also very interesting because just 6 months ago, or maybe a little longer than 6 months ago, maybe like 9 months ago in October, everybody was talking about how Bitcoin's going to 150, it's going to 250, it's going to 500 by the end of 2030, all this stuff. And now everyone's like, I'll please reclaim 90 or something. Like everyone has, the vibes are shot, are very down, which to me, this is a sign that you should be scooping up and accumulating. So that's what I'm doing at this time, is I am buying periodically. And now I want to go back to the charts. So I want to show you something I've been tracking, I guess, for a while now, and something that, oh, 1 second, let me clear this. And where's the moving average? Okay, there we go. So, oh fuck, god damn it. Okay, so here we have the 200-week moving average. This is essentially what it does is it takes the previous 200 weeks and averages out that price to a number. Then it plots all those on a chart, and it's just a smooth line up. So we can see if we took just the 200-week moving average, Bitcoin is obviously in an uptrend, and it typically uses the 200-week as a support, or the floor, we would say. And the thing that's very interesting is previous cycles, we never had a drop below. In the most recent one, we did have that drop below, and currently we actually had a close below. So that's, I don't know, maybe it's a sign that the support isn't holding as strong anymore. But essentially, because we had this close here, I'm going to go back. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to assume that it's basically going to behave like this current cycle is, where if we plot what happened last cycle, essentially we had 200 days to the actual bottom and another, let's say 25, 30-ish%. And if we plot that on what's currently happening now, and we just take the same 200 days and then the 30% down, what we're looking at realistically is probably around December being the bottom, and then we go up from there. And to me, this is good news. Assuming that does happen, I have limit orders set for that level. So I have a limit order at around 48K. Around there. So, I am kind of hoping it plays out like last cycle. Obviously, none of this is really that it's the data speaks for itself, but obviously things could change into the future, but very good shape. But overall, this makes me very hopeful, and I'm feeling good. I can't lie. Things are going good. Now, as always, on my channel, I do portfolio updates. So I'm going to pull up my actual account. All right, so here's my actual account. Let me go into it. So started in February. Basically, I've been consistent within a $300 volatility, I would say, within my account. Some months I'm up 300, some months I'm down. But essentially, everything is going as planned. As Bitcoin's dropping, I've been able to get my DCAs, which have been 250 every week consistently. So that's around 1,000 a month. And then I have limit orders set. I have about $2,000 in a limit order at that 48K level that I mentioned in the charts. And essentially nothing's changed. I have this amount of cash, which means I have about a month and a week left of DCAs, which I might actually start depositing into this account. But I won't be using my personal money like from my job. I'm gonna scheme a way to make money, either side hustling or doing something on the side. We gotta, because it would be a little bit cheating um, if I just took my job money and put it into this account. I want it to be specifically YouTube only. So actually, any money I make off YouTube or affiliate links or anything I make will go into this account. So that is a new part of the series. I don't know what I'm doing here. What are we all doing here? Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace.